In this video, we will explore the Center Owner dashboard of MTLS Centerwise Lite for Quiz Maker. You will see how a coaching center owner can view center information, manage students, access exam results, and securely manage the entire branch without using the WordPress administrator area. Let's get started. Welcome to the Center Owner dashboard of MTLS Centerwise Lite for Quiz Maker. After logging in, each coaching center gets its own dedicated front-end dashboard. Here, the center owner can view the center overview, total student enrollments, and manager details, including the center ID, center name, email address, and registration date. Everything is organized in one place, making daily center management simple and efficient. Now let's open the Students section. From here, the center owner can register new students and manage all enrolled students from a single dashboard. Student registration will be covered in the next video. Each coaching center can manage only its own students. No other branch can view, edit, or manage your student records, ensuring complete center-wise data separation and improved student privacy. Next, let's open the exam results section. Since no quizzes have been attempted yet, there are currently no results available. Once students start taking quizzes, each center will be able to view only its own quiz results and performance reports. This secure front-end dashboard allows coaching centers to manage students and results without accessing the WordPress administrator area. To learn more about MTLS Centerwise Lite for Quiz Maker, visit mtls.tech. Thank you for watching.